Ndibo kwenu?
Yeah.
America kwenu?
Yeah.
Indo Jinil no no wakwe zone.
Yeah.
What's going on, everybody? My name is Chukunon So Captures. Ndabanye, I'm Mekelonu. I'm with Chukunon So Captures, aka Mazi. Chakum, aka the digital makeup artist. And this is another episode of the Igbo Name of the Day giveaway. And so you already know why we do this. Come on, say it with me. We do this to keep our tongues fluent, keep the language alive, and help our brothers and sisters in the diaspora continue to understand their roots. We're gonna give them back their identity, starting with their names. All right, so let's hear it for Simona. Good up for Simona. All right, very good. So thanks a lot. Shout out to